Hello， 小朋友们，家长好！今天是我们的 Term 2 Class A Practicing Video Number 4。我们今天呢也是分几个部分。首先还是在 table 上面的 finger exercises， 然后呢我们会 move to the piano room, have a look at the songs that we've been learning. Okay, are you ready? So first we're gonna do our finger exercises. Let's keep the music going. Just wait for the ad to pass through. A couple things to remember. When we lift our hands up, always the elbow lead our hands. Okay. When we click onto the keys or tables, think of your finger as a magnet. Okay. There is a pressure like on the fingertips that attract to the tables or the piano keys or the piano covers. Okay, so you'll feel like finger is a little bit like bumping into the tables. People say, oh, it's sore. Stephen says it's sore, but that's normal. All right, okay, let's start our new one. Single fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now we're gonna try go a little bit faster today. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5. How did it go? It's a little bit interesting when we go faster, isn't it? Right, the reason why we are doing the finger exercise on the table is to train our fingers to move fast, lift our fingers high without any pressures or stress to play on the keys. So you don't have to think about which key I'm gonna play, how long I'm gonna hold it, which notes I'm touching. So let's take off all that pressure, just concentrate on the finger movement. So again, I strongly suggest everyone doing the finger exercises every day. Okay, now we're gonna do the 1, 2, 3, 2, that four fingers combination. Right, we're still gonna use that music. So let's get our fingers ready. So 4 numbers, or you can create any finger numbers that you want. Okay. Remember to lift your fingers as high as possible, each finger to reach the highest that you can get. Ready? First one, go. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4. Last one, 5, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Now let's do some faster. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. All right. Okay, so the last one, we're gonna do our 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. The first one, the intervals. Okay, now get your 2 fingers ready. Now this one, we're just gonna do it without the music. Okay, so both hands make a C shape. Put a 1, 2 on the table. Lift your hands up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can hear that clicking sound that your fingertips make. Okay, you might feel a little bit like banging to the table, a little bit of painful on the fingertips, but as long as it's not like hurting too much, you just have to bear with it and practice a bit more or make it better. Okay, right, 1, 3, ready? Click, 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 click. 1, 4, C shape. Click, 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 click. 1, 5, C shape. Click, 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 click. And then 2, 3, make them a bit curved. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3, click, click, and then 2, 4, 2, 4, click, click, 2, 5, 2, 5, click, click, 3, 4, 3, 4, click, click, 3, 5, 3, 5, click, click, 4, 5, 4, 5, click, click. Alright, that's all the finger exercises. So one more time, I want to remind the parents or all the students the reason why we're doing the finger exercises on the table is for training our finger to become more strong. And if you play on the piano and sometimes the key doesn't make a sound, like you play too soft or the sound's a bit shallow and weak, it doesn't sound very solid, that's because your fingers are not strong enough. Okay, it's not doing the right movements like the elbow up, lift the hands up, click on the tables. If you do the movements correctly, you will get a very solid and clear sound on the piano. Okay, that's the end of our finger exercises. Let's move to the piano now. Alright, so what we're gonna do today, I think we do a little bit of finger exercises. So again, the technique book, page 2 and 3, C, warm up, climbing the bars, and Teeter Totter Fan. We're just gonna go through each song 2 times and then we move to our pieces. Okay, now I'll give you a speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's slightly faster. Remember what our finger exercise that you do. Keep a 1 finger down, 4 finger up, and then do the swoop. Try to lift your fingers as high as possible. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. move to the page 3, climbing bars. Again, we're gonna do 2 times, right hands first. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now right hands one more time. Okay, now last one, we're gonna do our teeter-totter fun. Again, we're gonna do 2 times. And if you watch your wrist and find that your wrist is shaking up and down, you can put the other hands on your wrist and to feel it or control it a little bit. We want our wrist to stay straight up and also very steady. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're gonna do the teeter-totter one more time. Again, you can put your hands on the wrist like me to feel your wrist, keep it steady, and finger left high. Use your curved fingers, touch the key with fingertips. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's the end of our technique books. Right, now we're gonna try my computer. Gonna do a couple times and then we have a look at the new piece. So the speed is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands together and count the beat. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, did you get it all correct? Let's try one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now next we're gonna do the Abraham Lincoln. Most of students can play this song in the class, and it just when we get into the end, the 3, 4, 5 combination, sometimes we get confused. Okay, let's try this one a couple times. Abraham Lincoln. Right, in this one, the right hands you can use legato walking fingers. Alright, just left your finger high and swap with the next finger without lifting our hands up. Okay, now hands together. 3, 2, 1, go. getting it all correct. Well done if you do, and let's do one more time. Curve fingers, lift your finger high, and count the beat. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now it's the first part of our piano practice. Now the second part, we're gonna have a look at the pieces that I'm giving out this week. Alright, it's 2-page song. The name is Christmas Parade. Very lovely song. Okay, so first we're gonna talk about how we're gonna learn this piece and what things that we're gonna remember. Alright, let's have a look at this together. If you have the music sheet, do you remember in the class we named the beats on both pages? So you should see some numbers on your sheets. For example, the half notes you should write 1, 2, and then the other half notes 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number means on which beat we're gonna play those chords individual notes. Okay, now first one is we're gonna learn the first line. So left hands we can see there are 3 notes. The bottom one is a C, middle one is E, and top one is G. So this is our C chord. Remember the finger exercise that we did last week? We're using the C chord quite a lot. Alright, that's our left hand's finger number 1, 3, and 5. So we're gonna play the chord using our left hands because that chord is in the bass clef. So 2 beats for this one. 1, da, 2, da. And then lift your hands up, do another one. 1, da, 2, da. And then there are some more. 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 2, da. And then single notes G. Number 1 to play. 1, da, 2, da, 1, da, 2, da. And then we're going to move to our right hand, finger 5, to play the last notes G. 1, da, 2, da, 3, da, 4, da. Okay, let's try the first line together. First thing, we're gonna find our left hands. C, number 5. E, number 3. G, number 5. Check. If your wrist is stay straight up. Number 2, number 4, slightly lifted up because we don't using it. So you only see 3 fingers down, 2 fingers up. Okay, if you are ready, let's push that 3 notes down together and hold it very still. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's the number 1, play the G. 1, 2, another 1, 3, 4. And then right hand number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's our first line. Let's try it together. Put both hands on the piano. Start counting. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I want you to pause the video and practice 5 more times. If you finish, we're going to have a look at the second line together. Second line, you will also have some numbers on the music note that number the beat. So first number, number 1, we play E. Number 2, G, number 3, F, number 4, D, number 1, C, number 2, E, number 3 and 4, G. Left hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's read out the notes first. E, G, F, D, C, E, G. G, D, G. G, D, G. Okay, now let's try that on the piano. Nice and slow. Both hands get ready. When the notes move onto the left hands, you're gonna use move to the bass clef. You're gonna use your left hands to play. Mostly we're gonna use our right hand. Starting from E, number 3. Ready? Go. E, G, F, D, C, E, G. Left hands. G, D, G. Right hand. G, D, G. We kind of see a pattern here, isn't it? The last 2 bars we have a G, D, G. Play on the left hand first and then move to the right hand. It will help us to make it faster. Alright, let's try the second line one more time. Ready? Go. E, G, F, D, C, E, G. Left hands. G, D, G. Right hand. G, D, G. Alright, now I want you to pause the video, repeat 10 times. 10 times. When you finish, we're going to have a look at the next line. Page 23. So second page, starting from a right hand. Now first, we're going to read out the letter name. E, G, F, D, C, E, G. G, 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 C. Right hands play triple clef note. Left hands play the bass clef note. And then right hands again play the last note. Right, let's have a look. How do we play it on the piano? Okay, let's keep our hands number 3 on E, first note. Let's try to play the whole line, nice and slow. 3, 2, 1, go. E, G, F, D, C, E, G. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, did you get all the notes correct? Now let's do one more time. This time we're gonna count the beats. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, da, 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 2, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 2, da, 3, da, 4, da. Okay, now it's your turn to repeat 10 times and you can pause the video. If you finish 10 times repeat, we're gonna have a look at this line. So this line looks a little bit complicated. So we're gonna cut into 2 bars. Have a look at every 2 bars. Okay, first let's have a look at bar 1, bar 2, right hands. So right hands we can see E, C, E, C. And then G. What's the sign? Do you remember this one? This is the quarter wrist. So after G, we're gonna rest for 1 beat and then play another G and then rest. So when we do the right hand, it sounds like this. E, C, E, C, G, rest, G, rest. Okay, now let's try our right hands only. We're gonna try to put our right hand in the walking finger. So 1 finger down, 4 finger up, and then swap. First 2 bars, 3, 2, 1, go. E, C, G, rest, G, rest. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, now I want you to repeat 5 times. The left hands, we're still doing the C chord, but look, 1 beat play, 1 beat rest, 1 beat play, 1 beat rest, 1 beat play, 1 beat rest, 1 beat play, 1 beat rest. So the left hand is only play 1 beat and then resting for a beat. Then just repeat the same pattern 4 times. Okay, let's try our left hands. Ready, go. C chord, rest. C chord, rest. C chord, rest. C chord, rest. Okay, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Now, the harder thing is putting hands together. Because our right hand is doing walking fingers, so we don't need to release our hands or lifting our hands up when we play this 5 notes. But left hands, you have to pull your hands up, do the rest. Okay, so the first beat we're gonna do together, and then right hands only, together, right hands only, together, both hands resting, play together, both hands resting. Okay, let's try this 2 bars. 3, 2, 1, go. Da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, rest, 1, da, rest. Did you get it correct? If you do, that's good. If you didn't, let's try one more time together. Nice and slow. Ready, go. 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, rest, 1, da, rest. Alright, I want you to repeat 10 times for these 2 bars. If you finish the first 2 bars, repeat 10 times. Let's have a look at the second phrase, which is the bar 3, bar 4. So let's see right hand. So we've seen this pattern before. Same as the first bar, E, C, E, C. And then it finish on the whole note D, 4 beats. And then the left hands, we're starting the same chord with right hand's first beat, rest, 3rd beat, rest, and then left hands play 4 notes, G, F, E, D. The G is playing with right hand D together. Alright, let's do hands by hand. Bar 3 and bar 4, right hands first. 3, 2, 1, go. Da. Okay, it's your turn to repeat 5 times. Now it's left hand's turn. Left hands, we're gonna do the chords first. 1, da, rest. 1, da, rest. And then walking fingers. 1, da, Now let's put our hands together. Bar 3, bar 4. This line, the last 2 bars. Okay, very nice and slow. Right hand's working finger, left hand's 1 beat and then wrist. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now it's your turn to repeat 10 times. If you're finished, we're gonna have a look at the next line. So you see the first 2 bars are exactly the same as the previous line, line 2. The last 2 bars are quite easy. We have a G on the left hand, wrist, G, wrist, and then right hand C with left hand's chords play all together for 4 beats. Right, so we're gonna try the line 3 from the beginning to the end, non-stop. Okay, let's starting from the right hand's E, left hand's chord. 3, 2, 1, go. Did you get it all correct? And now, last line is quite similar with the first line. So the first 2 bars are exactly the same. And then the last 2 bars, we have a right hand's G, left hand's G, and then hands together, just like the previous line. Okay, so we're gonna try, see if you can play the whole line all by yourself. Alright, did you try it yourself? Now let's try together. Last line. The last line. Left hands first. Da, 2, da. Da, 2, da. Da, da. Da, 2, da. Da, 2, da. Da, 2, da. Okay, now this piece is slightly longer than the one that we played, so I want you to do each line as many times as you need it, but starting from 10 times, okay, to get a more fluency. Right, now I'm gonna play the whole piece 2 times. One is the slow speed, practicing speed, and then the second time is performance ready speed. Okay, but the first week I want you to try the slow speed only. Okay, now first practicing speed. 1, da, 2, da. Da, 2, da. 1, da. 1, da. 1, da, 2, da. 1, da, 2, da. 1, da, 2, da. 1, da, 2, da, 3, da, 4, da. 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, da, 1, the second page to see if you can find it. Okay, now at the end of the practicing video, I'm gonna play this song in a performance ready tempo. Means this is the tempo that's supposed to be. So just let you know, this is a very lively and like marching tempo, so you feel a quite strong beat. So you can clap your hands with me, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, just like what we did in the class. Okay, so the speed gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, I know this song is quite lively, isn't it? But as this is our first week, so I don't want you to go that fast. Just go nice and slow, keep counting, concentrate on the fingertips, curve fingers, straight up wrist, lift your finger high. So all those technique things that we're talking about all the times. Concentrate on the technique part. Alright, that's the end. If you have any questions, welcome to text me, messaging me. Alright, happy practicing. See you next week.